Claire. Do you see yourself? Say hi. Do you see you and Mommy? Yeah. Yeah. You saying yes? That's good. Can you touch your head? Good job. What about your tummy? Good job. What about your ears? You know, that's your hair. Where are your ears? Ears? That's right. Very good. That's your ear. What about your hair? That's your hair. Very smart. What about your hands? Where are your hands? That's right. Those are your hands. Good job. Can you clap? Very smart. And your birthday's next week. You'll be 1 year old. Yeah, you're just so smart. Do you see yourself? Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Good job.